gosh. Okay, so, ooh, let's go now. All right, oh, okay, we are recording. So I'm about to wash my hair. See my dried ass hair, dude. This shit, let me turn another light. This shit is so fucking dried. I'm gonna wash my hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to soak my hair, first brush it out, brush all the knots out, and then I'm gonna drench my hair in extra virgin olive oil, and I'm gonna soak it in my hair. Then I'm gonna put this on, and then go to bed. And in the morning, I'm gonna wash it out of my hair. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like. See, when I condition my hair, when I wash my hair in the shower, I don't put conditioner in it. I don't. I condition my hair before I wash it. You see? What I do is, okay, I get my hair, I wet my hair with hot water to open up my hair follicles, and then after that, I soak my hair up with the olive oil. I'm going to soak it up and put this cap on, and then after that I'm gonna wash it out with shampoo. And after I wash it out with shampoo and rinse it out, while my hair is wet, while it's wet, that's when I put hair product in it, because I feel like, you know, when your skin is wet and you put lotion, it moisturizes your skin, gets moist, it retains moisture better that way. You know, when your skin's wet. So I figure when my hair is wet, it will take in the moisture better from the olive oil. I don't know how scientifically true that is. That's just how I feel. I'm sorry, I'm trying to, sorry. That's how I feel. So I'm going to soak my hair up, rinse it out, and I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like. Like, you know, like, come on, like, you know, this shit is dry. Look at this shit. My shit is so damn dried. Like, look at that. It's like dried up. It's like so dry that it's like stiff. My hair's like stiff. So I'm gonna show you the before right now, and then I'm gonna show you the after. So hold on. All right, we got the beanie on. I got my hair drenched in the extra virgin. Let me show you what hold on. Okay, do you see that? Extra virgin olive oil. I don't know if it's even focusing. But I'm gonna let this sit in my hair overnight, and then in the morning I'm gonna wash it out and show you guys what it looks like. And this is so much better for your hair, to condition your hair this way, because olive oil is just olive oil. It has so much vitamins and all this crap that's good for your hair and your skin, that it's not just good for cooking, it's good for conditioning your hair. So see you guys in a little bit after I wash it. All right, you guys. So wait, let's kind of. All right, so this is my hair. I washed it out. It is so like bouncy. It has life. It's like, it's not standing all straight like on its own. I just got off work, you guys, and I had to film this real quick. That's what my hair looks like after I wash it out. Okay, look, ladies or gentlemen, whatever. When you first, okay, after you wash it out of your hair, okay, you're gonna, especially for blonde, this is very important, especially for blondies. After you wash your hair, your hair is gonna look like kind of tangly and like or whatever, but don't brush it. Don't brush your fucking hair, okay? Let it air dry. But as soon as after you towel dry your hair from after you got done washing it, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get olive oil. a lot of olive oil, and you're gonna put it all over your hair while it's wet. And after, while it's wet, you're gonna put it in your hair, and afterwards, when it starts to dry up, like when you start to feel like little dry pieces and stuff, you're gonna get more olive oil and put some in your hair where you feel a little bit of dry pieces. And then when it fully dries, it's gonna look like this. Nice and beautiful. Dude, I love this method of conditioning hair better than using shampoo. I mean, better than using conditioners for, you know, like Tresemme, the shampoo. Then you get the conditioner to go with the shampoo. This is better than those conditioners. And the olive oil method too is better. I'm sorry, it's really hot. And the olive oil method is way better to use as a conditioner and hair product and shit, even for your skin too. But hopefully this video helps someone out. Toodles, peace out, and happy trails. Around red light. So do you see how my hair looks now? It's not dry. Fuck, this just turned green. All right, this is actually day 3 hair. I know I didn't brush my hair this morning, sorry. But do you see what olive oil does, dude? Like, do you see this shit? It's not dried. It's still moisturized. Like, olive oil is a lifesaver. Look, it has like life. Like, you know what I mean? If you're not a blonde, I don't suggest you use olive oil in your hair because it's gonna be really greasy. But if you're a blonde, if you already have coarse hair or very dry, damaging hair, try this. Do this. Toodles, peace out, and happy trails. Come on, stop.